how to add others' story to my story on Instagram without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add other story to my story without mention, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue here is quite simple. When you open up the Instagram application, if someone mentioned you in the story, you would tap on the DMs tab and then you would most likely get a notification that person has mentioned you, and you could directly add that to your own story. But let's say there is a story that you desperately want to share for some reason, but you are not being able to do so because you are not tagged in it. Well, in that case, the only thing unfortunately that you could do is to simply take a screenshot of that particular story. So here, let me just go ahead and then take a screenshot like this. Then once I take a screenshot of that story, I can simply re-add that to my own story here. So I can just tap the plus bar over here. As you can see, I could select that screenshot, then I could just crop it if I want to. Then after that, what I can do is in return, instead I can just choose to tag that person if I want to mention him or her. Then I can tap the done button in order to add that story. So this way you can actually add someone's story to your story without mention. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.